Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. So in this week's PPF pro tip video, I'm going to go over the myths of self-healing paint protection film. Paint protection film, it's got this nice self-healing top coat layer that's built into the film that's going to self-heal light scratches and any kind of marring, that kind of stuff. But there's limits to that self-healing top coat. And I see a lot of stuff on YouTube, a lot of companies going above and beyond demonstrating what their film can all self-heal from. And I'm just gonna kind of exploit those right now in this video. So got this mini hood over here. I got some matte paint protection film because I had a piece of matte film lying around as scrap. So I'm gonna use that for this video because matte film is also self-healing. So I'm just gonna take my slip solution right here, spray it on the hood. And just gonna take the film, lay that down, get some solution on the top of the film. There we go. Now I'm just gonna take and center it and squeegee it into place. Matte film definitely transforms the look of a vehicle. Okay, I'm going to take my rag, I'm going to dry this off, and we're going to see what this film can all self-heal. So the film that I'm using here is SunTech Matte PPF. Had some scraps lying around in our shop from when I matte wrapped a Ford F-150, and I have some videos on our channel about that. So I got my wire brush right here. Now if I come in a little bit closer, I'm just going to take and just very lightly scuff up the film. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. Just like that. Now I'm going to take the heat gun, turn it on. And as I give it some heat, those scratches, they start to disappear. So that's going to be about the limit of what self-healing paint protection film is going to heal. Now if you take this wire brush and you actually put some significant power behind it, like this, you know, it's not going to self-heal it. But let's see what all gets self-healed. You know, some of that is self-healed, but definitely not all of it. Now, if you take a key, or in this case, a knife, I'm not going to use the blade because that's going to slice through it like nothing. You know, film's damaged. Take a torch. Hey, at least the paint's protected. You know, there's definitely limits to what that self-healing top coat is actually going to protect from. That being said, with the extreme amount of abuse that I gave it right now, I can pull the film off, and I'm confident the paint is going to be fine underneath. So PPF, it's designed to be a sacrificial layer of protection that's designed to take that abuse, but don't expect that self-healing top coat to protect against everything or self-heal against everything. So use your head, be smart about it. And if you're marketing this stuff to your customers, don't make it sound like that is just the film is going to self-heal against everything. That's where there's a lot of communication errors and breakdowns between the customer and the company installing the film. So this video is designed just to kind of give you a bit of an insight as to what that self-healing top coat is actually going to protect against, what it will self-heal against. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more PPF content.